Samsung reveals Galaxy Note 9. Samsung has revealed its flagship Galaxy Note 9. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 was launched in an unpacked event. The new phablet is the upgraded variant of last year's Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The new Galaxy Note 9 comes with a better than before pen stylus. The phone's top-end model has 512GB inbuilt storage and 512GB of storage can be increased using microSD card. This means the user can have storage of 1TB. The phone was launched in America with Snapdragon 845 processor, while in India it will be launched with Samsung's Axino 9810 processor. Galaxy Note 9 smartphone is available in black, purple and blue color. The price of phone's 128GB variant is $999.99 and the price of 512GB variant is $1,249.99. The pre-orders for the phone started on 10th August. The phone was available for sale from 24th July. The new Samsung Galaxy phablet has a 6.4-inch Quad HD plus Super AMOLED display. This handset has 2.7 GHz octa-core Axino 9810 processor. This phablet has a 6GB RAM and 128GB inbuilt storage. Other than this, there will be an option of 8GB RAM and 512GB inbuilt storage as well. Galaxy Note 9 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. Talking about the camera, the phone has two rear sensors of 12 megapixels. For selfies and video calling, with aperture f1.7, there is a 8 megapixel front camera. To give power to the phone, there is a battery of 4000 mAh which supports fast charging. The S Pen which comes with the phone is better now and you can get Bluetooth connectivity with it. Samsung says that the new S Pen takes only 40 seconds to charge. The new Note 9 comes with IP68 rating, which means it will be safe even after getting wet.